student, you're welcome to another Lecture Day online class, a page where you get 21st century content that can enrich your learning outcome in mathematics. Today, we want to work on quadratic equation, but we want to make use of completing the square method to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Let's see it. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. How do we go about it? Using the completing the square method. What you need to do is to first of all take the constant value, which is plus 6, to the right hand side. So that becomes x squared plus 5x equals to, when you take this to the right hand side, this becomes minus 6. Good. The next thing is now divided into 2. We now have the left hand side and the what? And the right hand side. We'll be working on this. We are making the left hand side a perfect square. We are making the left hand side a perfect square. When you want to make an expression a perfect square, we are going to look for the half of the coefficient of that x, and you square it and add it to both sides. So what is the coefficient of x? That is what? 5. So we are looking for half of what? Of 5 all squared and add it to both sides. So half of this, that becomes 5 over 2 all squared, and this becomes 25 over 4. Good. We are adding this to the both sides, and that becomes what? Good. That becomes x squared plus 5x plus 25 over what? Over 4 equals to minus 6 plus 25 over 4. Now, this left hand side now is now a perfect square. A perfect square, and this is the right hand side. So let's continue with this right hand side. From the right hand side, the LCM is what? 4. How many 1 can we see in 4? 4. 4 multiplied by 6, that is minus 24. How many 4 can we see in 4? That is 1. 1 multiplied by 25, that is what? 25. Minus 24 plus 25, that will give us 1 over 4. So let's move to this side now. Then from this left hand side now is x squared plus 5x plus 25 over 4. This is a perfect square. So let's continue from here. A perfect square, come to this place. This is what? Plus 5. So that is x plus 5 over 2. This is what makes this a perfect square, the left hand side. And the right hand side is 1 over 4. This becomes an irrational equation. So you square the both sides, squaring the both sides. Don't forget to put your plus or minus. This will go, and we have x plus what? 5 over 2 equals to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4. Square root of 1, that is 1. Square root of 4, that is 2. So we have plus or minus 1 over 2. So take this plus 5 over 2 to the right hand side, then x will be equal to minus 5 over 2 plus or minus 1 all over 2. Minus 5 over 2 plus or minus 1 over 2. It means x is equal to minus 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2, or minus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2. X is equal to minus 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2, or minus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So x is equal to, LCM is what? 2. 2 into 1 multiplied by minus 5 minus 5. 2 into 1 multiplied by plus 1, that's plus 1. Or these two, LCM is 2. 2 into 1 multiplied by minus 5, 2 into 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 1, then equals to minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 over 2, or this minus 5 minus 1, that's minus 6. How many 2 can we see in 4? That is 2. How many 2 can we see in 6? That is 3. Then your answer is equal to minus 2 or minus 3. Then we say therefore x is equal to minus 2 or minus 3. This is how to use completing the square method to find the root of a quadratic equation. I'm going to leave you with this exercise. Solve this and send your answer under the comment box. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to Adewale Kayode online class. Thank you and God bless you.